Hi, this is a short tutorial on how to record a voiceover to your PowerPoint presentation on your Windows machine. First, you want to open your presentation using PowerPoint, and at the top, midway through the tabs, you'll see a tab titled Slideshow. You should select this tab. Upon doing so, you'll see a variety of options here, which you can play from the beginning, your current, setup slideshow, rehearse timings, and then record slideshow. If you select this, you'll be prompted with two options. Here you can decide to also record any of your timings for your animations, should you have them, any narrations, laser pointers, and so forth. You can keep them checked, use them if you want, or uncheck them if you know you're not going to. And either way, when you're ready, press start recording. At the top left, you can see I'm now recording using this box. I can pause here if I'm not quite ready. Okay, so when I am ready, I can resume recording. So by pressing this, I can also go back here. So I'm starting over. Okay. Recording as soon as this begins. So here I can go ahead and start recording. Hi, how to record a voice over to your PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to pause that, and it's letting me know you've paused it. Do you want to resume? So prior to resuming, I may want to go on to the next slide as well. And I can do that. I'm going to resume recording, and then I'm going to move over to my next slide. In this slide, you will see the setup of creating a voiceover narration for your PowerPoint presentation. I paused it. I am now done recording for my two slides. If I had more, I could continue on and on. When I know that I'm complete, I can right click on this slide and I can press End Show. It will also give me my pointer options if I did want to use a pointer, highlighter, a pen, and so forth, if I want to zoom in or go to any of the other slides in my presentation. So at this point, I am going to End Show. And I can go back here and start from the beginning to play it. Hi, how to record a voice over to your PowerPoint presentation. Slide, you will see the setup of creating a voiceover narration for your PowerPoint presentation. Once that's done, I can click in here to end my slideshow. And if I didn't like how that was, I can go to the bottom here where it's embedded, the recording is embedded, and I can X that out so that I could re-record. So I could essentially clear any of the recordings, if I didn't like it or I wanted to start over. Okay, so you can feel free to do that as well. But once that is there, it is automatically saved, so just confirm that that's how you want it to sound. Then once you are done, you can go ahead and save it, and you are all set with your recordings.